another day, another vlog. Today is Sunday. We are going to church. After church, we're going to spend some time working outside again. I'm going to take you on another boring day in my life. Charot. Not sure what we have planned today. I'll keep you posted, but I'm going to spend the rest of the day with my handsome husband. We are at Kaiju. Oh, may dumi yung lens. Dadaling ko ang aking bouquet. Para makita ng mga tao. Kasi nasa kwarto lang siya kahapon. Mamaya ay kakain kami sa labas kasama ang friends ni Alot. Narinig mo? Tiyan ko.
Oo, ka naman dito.
Let's go.
Ano yun? So,
Masaya ka naman sa kinain mo. Init. Oh.
okay.
Ano?
Buksan mo muna nga ito. Ang mabigat sa akin.
Sorry, sir.
I love you so much, Bibi. I really enjoyed it. The moment, not the food. No, I like the food. Maybe it's just different. Iba lang yung sabaw nila. So pa yung sa SL na binibili kong ano eh. Noodles sa SL. Kaya mo bit, magda-lunch pa tayo dun sa...
Saan? Oh my gosh.
Recommend Kaiju Cafe. Over 10.
Ano yung
Over 10. The place is good. Wala akong parking. Accommodating yung mga staff. May pupi sa CR. Walang pa kayong staff. Pa-surprise nila. Nakita ko kasi. I was like... And the staff was just right there. Fixing her hair.
Kababae?
No, baby male CR.
Sabi mo her.
Hair. Fixing her hair.
Fixing her hair. Oh.
His hair. Boom. Hindi na pahiya pa ako. Yung teacher ka pa naman. Stupid. Her hair. Hindi ko na perfect.
Hindi ko matutumbayan.